Hi, this is Pratik, your friendly neighborhood trekking guide. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very interesting bag packing hack. How to pack your luggage in the bag. Scatter the things which you are going to take for the trek on an open space like a bed so that you can see everything clearly. Divide the scattered things according to their weight into 3 groups: light, medium and heavy. Divide the bag into 3 sections: 1 bottom, 2 middle and 3 on the top. The trick is to keep the light things on the bottom layer, that is section 1, keep the heavy things on the middle layer, that is section 2, and keep the medium weight things on the section 3. On the head, you can keep the light things which you require for trekking, and on the side you can keep the water bottle. With this hack, you can carry your weight in your bag quite easily and enjoy your trek. Hope you enjoy this video and please subscribe to my channel.